Okay, here I am down in the Valley of the Kings. Jenna and Baltimore have gone on that way further in, and I've stayed to check out this really huge tree with this awesome moss on it. Basically, this moss, Baltimore was telling us that it provides such great shade and cover that really Bigfoot could be hanging out up in that tree and we'd never even know he was there. And I can really see how that's true. Let me show you what they look like. You see that up there? It's a huge tree up there. And it's got that awesome moss hanging down from it. And so he said that somebody had spotted a mountain lion with a cub nestled up in one of these giant oak trees with this moss on it. And so they got a thermal drone to fly over to see if they could find it. And instead, what they found, they said they saw a giant man was way up at the top of the tree on the thermal, a giant man. And then when they flew back around, it was gone. Well, I don't know if there were any. There's been lots of sightings of Bigfoot down here, so that's probably what it was. So right now, we're down here surrounded by these giant trees with this really cool hanging moss. We just don't have up in the north. I've never seen this up there. And what great cover that is. Really awesome.